Windows play a vital role in the comfort, safety, and appearance of your home. But over time, accidents, weather, or simple wear and tear can leave your glass damaged. For Washington homeowners, where rainy winters and seasonal storms can add stress to window systems, knowing whether to repair or replace damaged glass is essential. The answer often depends on the type of damage, specifically whether your window is cracked or chipped. Here's what you should know to make the right decision for your home. Understanding the difference between cracks and chipped glass usually appears as a small dent, pit, or flake missing from the surface. Chips are often caused by impacts from small objects like pebbles, sports equipment, or even debris from lawn care. Cracked glass occurs when stress or force causes a visible line that spreads across the pane. Cracks can be straight, curved, or spiderweb-like, depending on the impact or stress point. While both types of damage may seem minor at first, they can compromise your windows in different ways. When a chip can be repaired, small chips are often easier to manage than cracks. Size and location matter. If the chip is less than 1 inch wide and not directly in your line of sight, repair may be possible. Surface level only. Chips that don't penetrate deeply into the glass or affect the seal of insulated windows can often be filled. Quick fixes prevent bigger issues. Repairing a chip early keeps it from spreading into a full crack, saving you money in the long run. For many Washington homeowners, especially in busy urban areas like Seattle or Tacoma, chip repairs can be handled quickly by professionals without replacing the entire window. When a crack requires replacement, cracks pose a more serious problem than chips, and most cases require full replacement. Spreading cracks. Washington's fluctuating temperatures can cause cracks to expand and contract, worsening over time. Compromised insulation. A crack in double or triple pane glass often breaks the seal, allowing moisture to enter and fog to form between panes. Safety risks. Cracks weaken the structural integrity of the glass, making it more likely to shatter under pressure. Energy loss. A cracked window lets in drafts and allows conditioned air to escape, increasing energy bills. In most situations, replacing the pane, or even the entire window, is the best option to restore efficiency and safety. Climate considerations. In Washington, the Pacific Northwest climate adds unique challenges to damaged glass. High humidity and rain. Moisture can seep into cracks or broken seals, leading to mold, rot, or water damage around the frame. Cold winters. Cracks worsen as glass contracts in low temperatures. Stormy weather. Windows with cracks or chips are more vulnerable to breaking during heavy winds or debris impacts. Because of these factors, Washington homeowners often benefit from choosing replacement sooner rather than later. Balancing cost and value. It's natural to consider costs when deciding between repair and replacement. Repairs. Generally more affordable, but often temporary. Repairs work best for small chips that don't affect performance. Replacements. Higher upfront cost, but long-term value. New windows improve energy efficiency, reduce maintenance, and enhance curb appeal. For older windows, replacement is usually the smarter choice, especially if your home could also benefit from modern, energy-efficient upgrades. When to call a professional. DIY kits may seem appealing, but professional assessment is always recommended. Window specialists can determine whether repair or replacement is best. Provide solutions tailored to Washington's weather conditions. Install replacement glass or windows correctly to maximize performance and warranty coverage. With expert help, you'll have peace of mind knowing your windows are safe, efficient, and built to last. Final thoughts for Washington homeowners. The decision between repairing a chip and replacing a cracked window comes down to size, severity, and long-term performance. Chips may be repairable if caught early, but cracks typically require replacement to protect your home against moisture, drafts, and safety risks. By acting quickly and consulting professionals, you'll keep your home comfortable, energy efficient, and ready to withstand Washington's climate. In the end, investing in the right solution ensures both your peace of mind and the lasting value of your home.